If you want to add an event to calendar on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then all you have to do is, first of all, we need to open the calendar app, which you should be able to find, for example, here in the app drawer. Then once you go over here, you might want to turn on auto sync if you want to synchronize it with your Samsung account, for example. And in order to create an event, you can, for example, use this plus button that we have at the bottom of the screen. Over here, we can set up the title for the event. You can also use an emoji over here or use your Galaxy avatar. We can also choose the color. And then over here we have the date, so we can choose when the event starts and when it ends, and you can also choose the time for that as well, unless you have chosen all day over here, so the event lasts all day. You can also choose the location. You can also open a map in order to choose the location. Here we have the information about the account that is being used to save this event. We have the notification or alert, so you can choose when you want to be informed about the upcoming event. You can choose whether the event should be repeatable or not. Also, we have some notes, video conference option. We can include attachments and so on and so forth. So once you set everything up, just tap on save, and that's all you have to do. Leave a like and subscribe.